I will be redesigning your OC for better or for worse. In today's video, you're gonna see me redesigning your OC in 3 different ways. The first one, it's going to be free for me to choose any way that I want to go. Second one, as an apocalypse survivor, and third one, as a medieval fantasy character, or Dungeons and Dragons, or RPG. Can't see Gab? Oh no! So I did this pose right here that I of course recorded how to do it right. No, I didn't. Good. So the first one that we are going to talk about is a 02 character. The name of the owner of this character is 02. I saw him and I felt to myself, but what if? What if he was even darker, even more shadow, even more a Pokemon dark type or ghost type, you know? And I felt to myself, I gotta make him absurdly evil. He may not be evil, but I want to show him the evil side. And not only that, in this free redesign, I thought to myself, why not make it a little bit into abstract? Make it a little bit into, wow, this is fantastic. Why not make a random line going up or a random line going down, or just crazy curvatures, or just scribing effect? All of that can add so much to our artwork, and that's what I did. The pose we give to a character can tell a lot about it, so my focus here was just making him I am so powerful and so evil. Look at me just using my hands and showing how powerful I am. See that? That's power overflowing around my hands. See? Power. Ha 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 ha. And the shoulders. The shoulders, I just felt Hades in me. Yes, the game Hades, I got as a reference, okay? I didn't steal, as a reference. The skull in the shoulder, I was feeling like, bro, he could get even more evil with skulls in a skull in the shoulder, like, haha, I'm watching you, with the same red eyes as the character have. And instead of doing the boring hair just going down, I was like, bro, I'm so powerful, but so powerful my hair is going up and everything's flying. I don't know where I am, but I know where I can be. He. I love this so much. You may not understand the amount of love that I felt doing this redesign, but the more I added armor made of shadows, made of darkness, the more I was like, wow, this character is incredible and amazing, and I want to get it a cape. That's right. Why not a cape? I love capes. Do you love capes? Maybe not. In the Incredibles movie, maybe they didn't love capes, but I do love capes. They make you look even more incredible, like you are important. When you are there appearing, oh, that must be a king, and especially with the crown. Now, this is what I call a very evil king. Of course, I do not know any of the lore of this character. I'm just creating it by my head and by what I saw in the reference sheet of the Protag 0. Well, I enjoyed a lot the results as you are seeing right now on your screen. I love it a lot, but now, going to the second one, going to the apocalypse survivor. I thought to myself, why do it easy, simple way, abstract? No. This time, the apocalypse survival is going to be realistic style, or at least into more the realistic style. And the reason of it is very easy and simple to understand. It's an apocalypse. They are suffering and they have dirt all over their faces and many cuts in the skin and blood everywhere. So the style with the most details is the most welcomed one to have on it. So let me see here what I have done. Papa, I drew Azimuth. I believe that's how you pronounce that. I hope it is. I truly hope that's the way we pronounce this character's name. So his dragon. It's a fantastic dragon, orange and blue. And what I need to say here is, what if he was tired from all of the war and he needed to survive another day? So I did him a few wrinkles. I did him a few, you know, the skin showing how it has been going. And for his clothes, I won't deny, Kakashi from Naruto Kakashi from Naruto made me such a huge inspiration, because I was like, yo bro, yeah, your clothes go like schwange. I pretty much just did that as a base. It was simple as that. Yes, apocalypse, but what if he was also a ninja, huh? jokes aside, I gave him a mask, I gave him a gun, I gave him many pockets and a backpack, cause I believe in that type of situation you will be needing a lot of assistance, a lot of accessories, a lot of objects to keep you alive. And since he's a dragon, I thought to myself, instead of having perfect wings, why not have wings that you cannot fly anymore? No, now I'm going deep into the lore. I made the wings so freaked up, so freaked up that this character cannot fly anymore. It was on purpose. I made that on purpose, so it's like, bruh, I have been through stuff. I lost my ability of flying, of freedom, of feeling the air, but I'll never stop. I'll keep on going. No one is going to stop me from trying again and again, because that's who I am. And yeah, random voice acting out of nowhere. So, my focus here in this one was making everything black and white and then adding colors, selective color, and any kind of effects like soft light or overlay. Maybe I added those, maybe I didn't. You're going to see in the video. I'm not the one remembering that. When I'm recording this, I don't remember that. You're the one that is able to see that. Getting into colors, my focus here was to make yellowish orange tones. This way we can see a lot the old rusty vibe, and that's exactly what I was going for. I don't have much to say other than details and hand going here, there. Heck yeah, I love this one so much. I hope I pronounced the character name correctly. I really enjoy making this one because it's such a colorful dragon, and bringing it to an uncolorful, very uncolorful ambient and scenario can totally be challenging, but this time I was like, heck yeah, I will take it. I will be taking it. And now, going for the last one. Going for the medieval fantasy Dungeons and Dragons, Baldur's Gate, whatever you can think of that will be here. Last character from Fuji-san. Yes, Fuji-san. Huge props to my amazing student. Love you, bro. So, what I need to tell you, champs. His character, plus becoming a barbarian, plus doing a cartoon art style. That's summing up everything. The first one we went into abstract. The second one, let's add crazy details. The third one I was like, yeah, line art, cell shading. And for those that do not know, cell shading is pretty much what they use in anime and cartoons in general. Here the approach was very different. My focus here was first line art, and then base color, and then basic shadow, and then ring light or reflection in the corner, and then light in the middle. Very simple and fast. Many light novels or games that use 2D art do that. Like Hades. I know I'm talking about Hades a lot. I'm just sorry, I just feel that. I can feel it coming next year. I'm gonna play it so much. So what I can tell you about this fantastic, great and strong barbarian. I made him buff because he gotta carry a great sword. Do you know how much a great sword is? I don't know how much it weighs, but it gotta be a lot, and you gotta have muscle to be able to splash on other people using it. Other than that, boots, belt, a lot of animal clothing. Yeah, animal clothing. Yeah, an animal using animal clothing. We are not going to get into moral values here. So the scarf, a red scarf, because I was feeling this character was needing some warm tones, especially because the body is much more into purplish tones. I was like, why not get warm? Why not get warm? Get warm, bro. And they called even more attention to the face. As always, if you want to show that a character is very serious, make small eyes. That's the easiest way possible. Make small eyes and the rest of the face big. Naturally, people are gonna look at the character and go like, whoa, so serious, this stuff is happening. Wow. I even got comments on the stream that I did of this drawing. The comments were talking about how he looked like a character of those light novel games, and I felt so happy because that's the whole purpose. We are doing it, champs. We are doing it right. Heck yeah, little by little. So from this three, the redesigns that I did from Fuji-san, Azimuth, and 02. Comment down below right now which one you like the most, because I adored doing all of them. Do you want me doing more videos like this? I gotta know. I'm trying to change. I'm trying to get content that you would enjoy. I just want to make you guys have a great, nice time, because isn't that the purpose? Well, at least for me, the purpose is having a great life and just enjoying having great moments. That's it for me, and I hope that's it for you. Thank you for enjoying, and if you enjoyed my artwork, link in the description for my full art course where you can learn art with me. You'll be able to see all of my art techniques, all of the ways that I use to draw and create even better and greater artwork. What are you waiting for? Go and check it out. I love drawing the three of them, and I'm gonna say the favorite one of them is all of them. I'm a soft heart. I'm a soft heart for anything that I do. I cannot choose only one. Bye-bye.